Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to open the Salesforce Developer Console. First, log into your Salesforce organization. Then, click the gear icon in the top right corner to open the Setup menu. From there, select Developer Console directly. Alternatively, you can type Developer Console into the Quick Find box within the Setup menu and click the result. This will launch the console in a new browser window, ready for your development tasks. Once open, you will see the Developer Console's intuitive interface. At the top, you'll find menus like File, Edit, Debug, and Test. Below these, various tabs organize your work, including Logs, Tests, and Query Editor. The Source Code Editor is where you write and modify your Apex code, Visualforce pages, and other components. Understanding these sections is key to efficient development within Salesforce. A common task is executing anonymous Apex. To do this, navigate to the Debug menu and select Open Execute Anonymous window. A new window will appear where you can paste or type your Apex code. Before executing, ensure the Open Log checkbox is selected if you wish to review the debug log immediately after execution. Click Execute to run your code and observe the results. Debugging is crucial for successful development. After executing code, the debug log provides detailed information to help you troubleshoot. Always review these logs carefully to understand your code's behavior and identify any errors. Remember to test your code thoroughly using the test menu before deploying it to production. This ensures stability and prevents unexpected issues. For more great tips and to check out the new Kindle Paperwhite, look for the link and other deals in the description below.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.